Yeah, so the hot chocolate, what you do, you get the Galaxy, which is your favourite hot chocolate, isn't it?
Yeah.
Galaxy hot chocolate, and you then get this is one you just make with hot water. So you boil the kettle, you make sure the kettle doesn't quite boil all the way. That's another little tip and a little hack. So yeah, you put a few spoons in like I've just done there, and if you nearly out of hot chocolate, which we are, well, you went to the shop before I made you hot chocolate.
You didn't tell me.
Well, I've just told you now. It's in behind the com. Make a note. And then you put a little bit of water in, and I've put too much. I've actually put too much water in. You sort of make it into a nice thick paste. But you got to make sure you get all the all the stuff out the side of the corner of the cup. Make sure it's nice and smooth. And once that's all done, you then slowly pouring the almost boiling water, and just keep stirring. Give it a good mix up, like that, and that's it really. So that's.
And I like a little splash of milk in mine.
Oh, and sometimes Baileys.
Sometimes Baileys. Which is a new thing this year. I've never done that before.
That's the Baileys hot chocolate. You put a splash of Baileys in instead of like a splash of milk. But I didn't actually put any milk in yours tonight, and you said it was quite nice.
Yeah, but I did used to try and be clever and use milk instead of the water to start with.
Don't work.
I thought, oh, it's cold.
Don't
it's
work.
the same thing, and it's not the same.
Don't work, does it?
No.
No. So just a little splash of water. Again, not as much as I've used there, but there you go.
Oh, thank you. Did you do the technique?
I did.
It looks like a good one.
Who needs a velvetiser?
We might have to try a velvetiser one time though, just to compare.
Yeah, we should do, shouldn't we?
Just so we can do find out what it's like.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to go and stay with Stephen and Ali PG and Wilf and
sounds
Hattie.
good. Just for hot chocolate.
Yeah, try it out.
Good one.
Good one. Snory one.
What about you, Mister?
It's quite funny how a couple of people said it's Boaty McBoatface, isn't it?
It's Albie.
Yeah, no, but it's Boaty McBoatface, and I've got my scruffy jumper on. A couple of people, someone said
Bikey.
Com face.
Bike names you're on about.
Yeah, Bikey McBikeface.
Talking about me yesterday, not to know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
You've just gone from hot chocolate to.
Oh no, I was talking about, we call him Snorri McSnorson.
Oh, right.
Yeah, which I think comes from Boaty McBoatface, isn't it?
Boatface, yeah.
Snorri McSnorson, there he is. Snoring away as usual, with his eyes open.
Yeah, eyes are open. Daddy's done some miles on his bike, Albie.
Yeah?
Yeah, longest bike ride ever. Go and follow him. Shall I link his Strava down below?
Is it public?
Go and yeah, probably. Go and follow Dad and Mum.
You won't ever get any kudos back from Jim though.
No, you won't get kudos back from Jim, but you can go and have a little look about their ride. So hopefully that's all right, Mum. If not, let me know and just make your things private. I know a couple of you follow Mum, so go and give. She moans that I don't give enough kudos, and Nat doesn't give enough kudos because I know when that happens because she sort of messaged me on Facebook and goes, "Dad's done a ride today." I got 3 PRs today. So I was like, oh, go and have a look. It's like when you're not riding your bike, again, it's the last thing you do is check Strava. So and Strava is just like that. So yeah, so sorry if I don't give any kudos. When I'm not riding my bike, I'm usually on there more. Oh, Snorri. Sorry, a bit of a short one today. Nothing happened.
Work?
Yeah, I think when you sort of this is the 275th. I've done a bit of a count back to when I was sort of labelling them, which number daily com it was. Daily become.
Mind Albie's foot.
Oh, was that what was I
Keep
doing?
tapping it. Yeah, stop it. You don't like it.
I don't need to take that.
Yeah.
Why did you break wind?
The danger of it.
Yeah, so I went back and the ones that I did started labelling the numbers at the end of the daily vlog and stuff. So I think this will be 275. So
Less than 100 to go until a year.
I really want that year now, and I was like, I almost wasn't going to do one tonight. I thought, oh, we'll make hot chocolate and stuff, but it's going to be that first one. It's just going to be awful. I just feel that people are going to wake up and be like, all 4 of them are going to wake up.
It's not alright.
Yeah.
Well, What's happened to Albie? What's the Albie update?
Yeah, how am I going to make hot chocolate without a velvetiser tomorrow? And I do forget, I don't know, it's just weird, and it's just such a weird... Yeah, so what have we been doing? What have you been to the shop tonight? Found some bargains?
Yeah, I went to the shop because we ran out of dog food.
Yeah.
Emergency, Albie was begging. Poor starving dog.
Yeah, so you had to do a quick run to the shop.
Yeah.
Found some good bargains though.
It was about 6:30, so there was loads of like 25p salad and... What did I get? 15p brioche burgers.
Brioche buns and some wraps and stuff. So
bread and stuff.
Yeah.
Exciting.
So join us tomorrow for a brioche burger fest.
Another one because we already had one tonight.
Oh, yeah, I don't think I filmed it though, did I?
I did.
Don't know. Well, if I did film it, you've seen it. If I didn't, I say that. So then I did. Yeah, whatever. What else was I going to say? It's now 10 o'clock.
Why are you on Los Angeles time?
Oh, for TikTok.
Oh, right.
I have. Not always Los Angeles. It's moved. I have Manila there as well.
Alright.
Philippines.
Alright.
Is it? Well, I hope it is, because that was the idea. So
I thought Manila was a colour.
Manila is 6:15, and Manila sounds weird.
Manila is a colour though, isn't it?
Don't know.
Like Manila envelope.
So I do, because my biggest following's UK, Philippines, and America. So I just had to keep an eye on the time. So it's morning in the Philippines now, and it's afternoon in Los Angeles. So I actually just put out a little TikTok. Don't forget to follow me over TikTok. The links are below. I always do like it. There's lots of random people. I get lots of hate comments on there, but again. Oh yeah, Manila. Oh yeah, Manila folder. Yeah, like that kind of.
Manila envelope.
Yeah, is that right?
Manila hemp is derived from a species of banana originally from the Philippines.
Well, there you go. It's not just an entertainment channel.
There you go.
So it's now 10:20 at night. I've now got to go and edit this video.
Stop moaning.
Just telling people. Edit this video, upload the video, do the thumbnail, do the tech, and I've also got to do a thumbnail for Robbie, which might have to wait tomorrow. Sorry, Rob. And I've got to do some banners for their website, so I should probably have to wait till tomorrow as well. I've got to order some print for another customer. Right, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for subscribing, and
See you tomorrow.
maybe.
The contrast looks a bit weird.
Yeah, this is light, it's crap, isn't it?
I thought you bought it so you could adjust it.
Yeah, but yeah, and then it flickers.
Oh.
And it's just pointing on you when you need light.
Yeah. Well,
don't know.
because you ripped the bottom out of it. Wrecked it.
Yeah, sorry about that.